saw it in your email, but I'm not finding it. It was a huge tower.
Okay, yeah. No, we did that at a school. It was a STEM academy, and it was fifth and sixth graders, and that's what they had wanted to do. So they actually the kids put it together with the teacher. And we
Okay.
went there. It was like Dr. Seuss night or something, and it was a special. And we watched them build it, and it was, I think, 17 feet tall, and it was in the cafeteria. Yeah, it was in the cafeteria, and it reached the record. I mean, it built it. It was taller than I guess it was Lincoln. Was it Lincoln Logs? Yeah, it beat their record. And
wow.
yeah, so it was amazing, and the kids had such a great time putting this together. And then all the parents were there for this open night of the Dr. Seuss, so they watched all these kids do this, and they watched their own kids, and so it was very special, and they got a kick out of it. And so we let them, have it and borrow it and have a good time with it. They just wanted to prove that they could do it. Yeah.
Well, it's good team building too. When you're working with a group of people, you have a common goal, and you don't know. I mean, there's no plans. It's not like you're building a house that some architect has drawn out for you. It's like we've got to all work together. We got to put our minds together, and what a great job skill that you're teaching these kids. And they're figuring it out. How do I work with other people? How do I share my ideas? How do I accept their ideas? Last week we were just talking on relational skills, and I'm thinking this goes beyond STEM learning. We can use building toys to build relationships too.
Right. I mean, I've had some teachers who have said, okay, it's the first day of school. When we come back, what can I do to the first day of school, to get kids to know each other? And then I always say, well, you could, if you want, maybe do the team building with Qubits, because you are working together, you're getting to know each other. Here, there's children that may have never worked, never met each other. The teacher doesn't even know these kids. Yeah. And so that's lots of fun too, because it's more than just building, and you're building relationships and everything, and you're trying to help each other, and it really helps. So a lot of the teachers like that idea. They say, hey, that's a great idea. We'll do that the first day of school, because it's almost like an icebreaker too.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. And I can even see that at like homeschool co-ops using that, and
right. Exactly.
Ways to build bridges and
right, because when my kids were in I used to, when my kids were in I homeschooled them, we would take it to the parks, the Qubits, and then the kids would all build together the things, and they built it in the park, so you could all work together. It doesn't have to be just a home, and we used to do that with the homeschool, one of our trips. Yeah.
So I'm assuming they're washable.
Yes.